Here we observe the rare chocolate dinosaur in its natural habitat, the test lab. Like many creatures, it seeks out a warm place to rest. A traditional competitor motor seems like the perfect spot. What it doesn't realize is that this particular heat source may be a little too effective. Experienced chocolate dinosaurs know to choose a STOBER cLEAN motor. Unaware of the danger beneath it, the creature basks peacefully. The competitor motor's excess heat quickly turns this majestic predator into a puddle. Let's have another look. Such a tragic yet preventable event. Fortunately, not all motors create such hostile conditions. The STOBER cLEAN motor operates more than 87 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than stainless steel induction motors, which means less wasted energy becoming heat and significantly fewer chocolate dinosaur-related incidents. STOBER cLEAN motor, cooler, more efficient, and saving chocolate dinosaurs from extinction.